Hi, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new Sea Ray 250 SDX. Right now I'm on the large swim platform. As you see, this boat is also equipped with this manual submersible platform that goes down a couple feet actually, so you can hang out in the water. Quite sturdy. Back here we also have our sun pad. It's nice too here on our sun pad. This actually will move back, so when you're anchored up, you can be facing back, hanging out with everyone that's in the water on tubes and whatnot. You also have some USB ports and a 12 volt over there too. Now you're in the transom walkthrough. You have an area that can be used as a cooler or storage that drains. You got a little wind door here, or safety door. You have your battery switch, easy access when you're getting on and off the dock, as well as a little more storage here. And we'll hop up in the spacious cockpit. Alright, here in the large cockpit area, the 250 SDX, as you can see, a lot of our seating is convertible. It's very nice. So when you're anchored up or anything like that, tied up with other people, you can be in the action, in the conversation, no matter where you are. As you can see, I moved this one back too as well. Under here, get to our engine compartment. This boat is equipped with the 6.2 liter 300. Nice gas assist struts there, makes it easy. And we also have the sports tower up here too, which also has this retractable mini top. Now up here at the helm, we have our flip up bolster, which is nice. So you can sit up a little higher, and we also have our Simrad vessel view, fusion stereo, tilt steering wheel, and your regular switching for bilge, lights, etc. And your throttle and shifter, of course. And under here too, the one thing that the 250 does nice is actually have a large, spacious area for a head. So you can see down in there. For the size of this boat, you won't have room getting in there. Alright, so walking forward into the bow of this 250 SDX, as you can see, the reason that the head compartment's so big is because they have a side walk-through. Get a nice little windshield that closes, as well as a nice wind door. Up in the bow here, we got plenty of seating. Under the front seat here, we do have another removable cooler. And in your ankle locker, you also have a forward bow boarding ladder for you to beach up at a sandbar. You don't have to get off where it's deep and swim around. Makes it easy for the family and kids. You also have a removable table that goes up here as well, mounts to the side here. So, again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this has been our brand new Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give me a call at 609-207-3325.